So many people are actually good in identifying people's problem because they have done all sorts of things. They have make a lot of decisions, make a lot of crafts and shit, so that they can see beyond people. And then if such people, such person, do spiritual work for you, it will not work because they don't have the spiritual authority. At the end of the day, they use Olubo to enhance whatever they say. I remember I was with a friend of mine yesterday, and he was saying, Baba, do you tie clients? Do you do Shule? I said, I don't do sort of things. Based on pure spirituality and everything that has to do with purity. Because I know how many days I spend in seclusion per week, staying focused and doing what I have to do. I cannot stay in it because of money. So he replied, Baba, you go dey broke down since you are not doing Oshule. All this because I know Babalawo like that. The young boys used to give him 500k in a week. He used to see money. So I don't need money. In as much as I have peace of mind, I sleep, I wake up, I have something to eat, and I still have my pair of clothes. I am contented. So it was like, wow, Baba. I said, calm down, my friend. I that am having Osha. I am capable to feed my Osha. I'm not doing it because of people, because I want to make money. I'm doing it for myself. I'm doing it for myself, for my children. And I don't do it because I want to wear big clothes, look handsome. I don't need those sorts of things. And I tell you, téèyàn kan bá wà tó sọ pé òkè wọ́n ti ṣẹ̀bẹ̀ wọn àgbà kò gbà, mo ní èmi á lọ bá àwọn àgbà ibi táwọn àgbà ti ń ṣèpàdé ẹ sọ fún wọn pé ẹ̀yin ìyá ẹ jèbùrẹ́, èmi ni mo bá ń sọ ẹ jèbùrẹ́, mo ní wọ́n máa gbọ́ ó dé because àtijọ́ wà lóbi today. So we are not doing this thing because we want to make money, no. And after doing the bed, we're begging of others, I will tell the person, see, this is the rule. If you go beyond this rule, they will deal with you. That is pure spirituality. You know what you are capable of doing, but you are not doing it because of money. So I don't know. I just decided to keep well. There's so many people now who tie clients, they do this because they are looking for opportunity. But the more you do all these things, the more the spiritual potency reduces. I don't tie clients, I don't do Shule, I don't do money ritual, I don't do love spell, I don't do all sorts of crazy acts. As a matter of fact, I am bounded by law that sometimes I think of myself as being harmless or powerless because I don't do all sorts of things. But that doesn't mean that I am hungry. I'm not hungry. I have peace of mind. If I tell you this is your solution, believe me, if you go to 1 million places, it will still be so. You can go to 1 million places and be doing those things, but we have spiritual authority. When we say things, the Yami Eleye, Yamopo, every forces, they comply, they listen, not because of any special magic, it's because of our cordial relationship and the bond that exists. That is what makes us who we are. My name is Ajenla. I really wish that I had a lot to say. Yesterday was about, 2 days ago was about Orisha Onimiri. And I'm telling you, it was a pleasant jalop. Well, I can't say much, but those who are not here, they really miss a lot. I'm Ajenla. Ajenla is my